Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 50% off. This offer is for today only, October 8, 2025. There's a Linux Foundation certification, and certification is CKA and CKAD, then CKS, LFCS, and more. So in the October Prime 202 is here, and for the 2 days only, the October 7 and 8 2025 get with the 50% of the side wide on the Linux Foundation training and certification. So use the code, this is the code OCT Prime 25 at checkout as the claim your discount. So special deal, take the Linux Foundation certification system administrator CFCLS exam for the just 150 with the code of LFCS 50. So choose from the certification. These are the certification and IT professional program courses by the technology cloud, Kubernetes, cybersecurity, AI/ML, DevOps, and more. So hurry up. Offer ends on today, October 8 and 2025. This is the URL. We'll go through the URL. So the Linux Foundation prime time to save big deal, 50% off the side wide. And this is for the today only. This is the code and offer ends on October 8. So use OCT Prime 25 to get 50% discount on the checkout. So this is the page. And one more thing is there, Prime exclusive CLFSC for the 150. This is a system admin career for the Linux Foundation certified system administrator, and exam is only for 150. Save B and more with the 66% off. So this is the biggest off is there. So you can go through the one, any of the one, just like IT professional program. I am going through this. These are the certification: DevOps, Advanced Cloud Engineer. So, so any of the program you can choose, and this is exam only, and you can subscribe for the subscription bundle. So exam plus the course, you can get 625 like that. All the courses are there. So prime time save big deal on 50% off the side wide. So in this video, we have learned how to get 50% off the today, and this is October 8, 2025 Linux Foundation certification. There is a certification list are there. So step by step process, follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. So don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.